Mamasyal pala kami ngayon guys sa San Jose. Heyo. 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 Deo at the Vest in City Mall, San Jose. Mamasyala naman si Deo sa The Vest. Cart, push cart, bags, wallet. Oh, wag yan, hayaan mo lang. Sige, walk. Mga shoe section. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Come on, walk. Bags. Tumbler. Tumbler yan, Deo. Shoes. Stroller for babies. Sige.
Bag.
Bags. Instruction. Collector bag. Yeah, the toy section. Fire extinguisher. Yes, this is the instruction manual how to use it. Don't touch it. Caps. Hair clip. Push cart. Bags. Leo. Inaano ko siya. Christmas flower. Christmas tree. Yes. Christmas designs. Yes, box. Yes, Christmas decors. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Just walk. Si ate. Wag Deo. Signage. Signage. Triangle. Yes, triangle. Glue. Glue gun. Glue gun. Yeah, push cart. Push cart. Hardware section. Screwdriver. Yes, screwdriver. Wrench. Wrench. Yeah, wrench. Wrench. Tools. Repairing tools. T-bar. Huh? This one is for the tools.
Toys.
Tools. Repair tools.
Like this. Saw.
Yes.
Saw.
Wrench and the other repairing tools.
Oh, yes.
Chair. Chair section.
What's it?
Dito tayo ngayon sa City Mall, sa The Vest na department store, guys. Enjoy na enjoy si Deo sa pamamasyal dito sa The Vest, sa City Mall San Jose, Antique. Wow, Deo, nice. Lawak ng The Vest. Para siyang ano, guys, ano na department, pero mas bago ang design, tsaka mas malinis ang pagkakagawa. Sleeper section. Sleeper section. Brown, yes, brown. Sleeper, brown, black sleeper, yes. White, yes. Bubble. Bubble toy. No, it's closed. Yeah. Yeah, leave it there. Yes. Cups, just leave it there. Tupperwares. Come on. There. Cling wrap. That's cling wrap. Don't touch. Just walk. Just walk. Don't touch. Christmas decors. Christmas bag.
Oh, shoes.
Yeah, shoes. Shoe design. Christmas bag shoe design. With the shoe design. Star. That's a star. Yes. Come on, let's go. Proceed to the next section. Oh, flower, yes. Toys. Wow, toys, your favorite. Toy section. Toys, yes. Cars. Wow, your favorite. No. See others, oh. See the other design there, oh. See the other designs, oh. Turn around. Okay. You want that one? There's a lot. Move. Oh, you can see other designs. So gun, no? Truck, yes. Sige, let's see. Here, oh, the other design. No? Gun. Ito yung mga ibang laruan dito, guys, sa The Vest. Huh? You want that one? Huh? Let me see. Wow. Let's look at the other toys. Ate Bia.
Mami na tayong guitar, oh. So music yun, tag 90.
Via, ano nakapili ka na? Wait na. Ate Via.
Calling the attention of Mr. Owen. Please visit to Hall K9. Once again, Mr. Owen, to Hall K9, please.
You can buy the skateboard. I want a skateboard. My first time. Please.
Deo.
I want a red one.
Wag. No, it's a skateboard.
Yeah, this one. I want this one.
Pero ayos lang ko kahit wala tayo. Di ka nakasama sa aking mga plano. Di na tayo lilipad, di na tinupad mga pangako. Bakit ba napako? Wala nang I miss you, wala nang I miss you. Wala nang mag-ingat ka, sana nag-ingat ka.
Stuffed toys. Deo.
That is nothing.
Skateboard.
Sorry. Careful. I want a red one.
You want the one monster truck? Let me see. Let me see.
Wait lang ha. Just wait. Just wait.
Ano siya yung...
I like this the best.
Magalaw pa ulo niya eh, no? Food trip guys, food trip. Sa Kambal Inasal.